Hello students, today we are going to continue with chapter 5 of science, acids, bases and salts. Today we are going to learn about some natural indicators. Anik and Mahi of class 7 were very excited to perform a series of tests on few solutions to find out whether they are acidic or basic. Their science teacher handed them some yellow color paper strips, and before she could return to guide them, Anik has already dropped a few drops of some solution on it, and to his surprise, the paper turned bright red. Both of them were confused with this magic. How did the paper turn red? The teacher told that they have performed one of the detector tests. They were supposed to detect whether the solution was acidic or basic, and since the yellow paper changed the color and turned red, it indicated that one solution was tested. But how does this paper tell us the nature of the solution? Do you remember indicators we talked about in our last lecture? Indicators are the substances that help us detect whether the given solution is acidic or basic without having to taste it. So, is this yellow paper an indicator? Yes, it is. And what it is made up of? It's simply a blotting paper with turmeric applied on it. Turmeric? Yes, it is. The same turmeric that's used in the kitchen. Turmeric is an excellent indicator to detect the acidic or basic nature of the solutions. In this case, the paper turned red when the solution was poured onto it. So the indicator clearly indicated us that the solution poured was basic. Alkaline substances or basic solutions turn turmeric into a red color. More the basic nature, brighter the red color will be. And what about acids? Acids have no color change when tested with turmeric. The color of turmeric, which is yellow, remains unchanged. That is how turmeric helps differentiate between acids and bases. Acids remain unaffected while basic solutions turn red. Let us make our own turmeric paper and perform the tests ourselves. For performing this activity, we need one white paper, 2 earbuds, one brush, turmeric powder, some washing powder, lemon juice and water. First of all, add some water to turmeric powder. With the help of a brush, apply this turmeric paste on a paper carefully and evenly. And allow it to dry. After the paper is dried, add some water to washing powder and make a solution. Here we also have lemon juice. Firstly, with the help of an earbud, we'll see what is effect of lemon juice on this paper. There is no effect of lemon juice on turmeric paper. Now we will use this washing powder solution. Let's see what happens. Wow, it's like a magic happening. The color of turmeric paper is changing to dark red as it is coming in contact to the basic solution. So, if turmeric changes its color from yellow to red, it indicates that the solution is basic in nature. Now let's talk about another natural indicator, and that is China rose. China rose is a plant, so how can that be used as an indicator? The fact is, the flower of China rose possesses a good ability of detecting acids and base. So how do we use China rose flower as an indicator? It's very simple. All we have to do is add hot water to the petals of China rose to the beaker and let it rest for some time. This solution can be used as an indicator when drops of this is added to an acidic solution. Then the color of the solution changes to magenta red. However, when added to base, the color of base changes to green. The solutions change color in very less time, and that is how we use China rose as an indicator. Now let's learn about another indicator, litmus paper. What is litmus paper? Have you come across the term lichens? The symbiotic relation of algae and fungi gives us a unit called lichens. The major function of lichens in an ecosystem is that they act as a pollution indicator. So, substance extracted from a lichen body called litmus is used as natural indicator to detect the acidic and basic nature of solution. The litmus obtained from the lichen's body is absorbed on a filter paper. This paper made with litmus on it is used as an indicator for detecting acids and bases. Two colors of litmus paper are usually available: red litmus paper and blue litmus paper. The red litmus paper, when comes in contact with an acid, displays no color change but turns blue in presence of base. In contrast to this, the blue litmus paper turns red when contact with acid while it remains unchanged in basic solution. So today we studied all about these indicators that help us in detecting acidic and basic nature of solutions. Let us now move ahead and find out what happens when we mix an acid and a base, but we know this already. We have seen that an acid and a base when mixed gives us salt and water. Let's study this neutralization reactions in detail in our next lecture. Till then, bye bye kids.